Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. If you followed the Euro roadmap I left out for you, target was hit 114.55. Look at the lines that I put up for you guys. I said a break of this level bringing us to this support. A break of this support brings us right down to this level right here. Incredible. Okay, 116, say, to 114 is 200 points. I don't know anybody else that actually, gave you this roadmap. So you're following all the other fake gurus. Come on over to a chief dealer that actually knows what the freak he's talking about. That's what I got to say about that. So right now, according, the euro dollar's traded right around 114. 54 today. That's the low, kind of coming off of it a little bit. Is it over for the euro dollar? Not really. Not really at all. Right now, the U.S. strong data, ADP job growth exceeded expectations. Q2 GDP grew closer to 3%, reinforcing Fed patience and fueling a bit of dollar momentum right now. Now, will Powell cut the rates? That's the question. I think it's a 60-40. I don't think that he's going to do it. I think he's going to hold steady. He doesn't want to look like a Donald Trump lackey. However, he is leaving, and he might want to leave, a better legacy for himself, because that would spur huge momentum in the Dow Jones, and it would really just add a little bit more liquidity. This market really doesn't, the U.S. market really doesn't need more liquidity, but what Trump's argument is that it will actually help the housing market. It will help people be able to get funding for housing, and every basis point drop is like $400 million in saving for U.S. Treasury, like refinance stuff. So that's important too for the debt. However, obviously the U.S. debt is a major issue. You know, it is tremendously high. So what about the euro dollar right now? Well, it hit target, right? So right now, as it stands, it's got to get over like 115.12. 115.12 is your new level of resistance for the day. I'm going to put it up. Let's see, 115.10. That's fine. 115.10, 115.12. That is your level of resistance for today. It is 11:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, all right, what happens if the 114.50 goes? Where are we going with that break? Well, really, we have main support right now at that level. Right now, it's really at 114, say 46, but 114.50 just is fine. Okay, if it was to break that level, okay, it's opening up a path to, man, wow, 114, one. I don't even want to say it. It's like open up a path of 113, 112.75, 113, 112.75. Could it do it? Yeah, absolutely. Now, Rabobank's got a completely useless report out saying like, oh, the euro dollar strength will be at 120 by spring of 2026. Is that not freaking useless? I mean, anything can happen between now and 2026, of course. So you're supposed to go long the euro dollar, hoping in 2026 it's at 120. Meanwhile, it couldn't even get through 118.30 on the last run. I don't know. I mean, I think that's a cop out for that bank. They remain cautiously bullish in the view of medium to long term, forecasting euro dollar strength at 120 by spring of 2026. Completely useless. Completely useless. Come to this channel and I'll tell you exactly where the levels are. Okay, so main support right now 114, say 46, 114.50. Euro yen down hard. Dollar yen basically coming off the highs of 149.08, 149.10. It's consolidating a little bit. It showed incredible strength. There's resistance to dollar yen at 149.18. So we'll see if it can hold that resistance right now. It's got a bullish tone to it. We'll see. Now I know this is not a dollar yen video, but it's important because dollar yen actually drives this monster right here, the US dollar index. US dollar index is up, okay, because of dollar yen. Also, the slide in the euro dollar and the sterling dollar. Sterling dollar is another piece of junk, really. Cable's sitting at 132. 89 right now. I predicted that move. I told you cable couldn't hold a rally. It was going lower. Spread the new word, man. Bring people over. I'm not getting nearly as many views as I should be getting in this stuff. It gets a little bit frustrating, I'll tell you that much. Especially since I'm dishing out like 300-point gains for nothing, you know. But anyway, so pay attention to US dollar index. It's up. It's coming up right now against another resistance level right here. Actually broke through. Where's the next level? Next level of resistance is up here, 99.63. Let's put that level over there for you. Right here, let's throw this level up. Right here, where are we? Yeah, coming up to the resistance, 199.70. If dollar yen cools off, this could turn down. You could get a spark up in euro dollar a little bit, although I don't see it going into a major bull run right now. There's a lot of people trapped, and they're going to be looking to get out, escape out of their longs if they did not cut their losses already. So here we go back again to this level. I had this map up for you guys for a while. Go back and look at my other videos. If you don't believe me, go back and look at my other videos. I had a support point right here. This actually should have been like 46, but at the point at that time, I really didn't really care much about it. But that's the level right there. This was the primary target level, 114.72 hit. It's coming back up. Like I told you, it's got to be like 115.12, 115.15. This support line, or the original resistance breakout right here, is acting also now as future resistance at 115.23. All right, so that's what I got going on for you guys in the euro dollar today. If there's a link in the description, get yourself a free video and an ebook about whether or not price breakouts are good. You know, putting a little stats on your side for price breakouts might help you out. Also, remember, always, 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 this is a short-term trader. Enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.